Hey family, good morning. Praise King Jesus. Let me ask you this. Have you ever been through something that is very difficult? There's that time you felt the world or the heavens is falling on you and knew only God would brought you out? Yes, that's your testimony now. Can you listen to this first?
I gave my hand, stood by them when no one else would stand. I fought for them, I prayed till I bled, but they turned around and wished me dead. They whispered with the ones who set the trap. Watch the wolves come, never held me back, but the fire they lit, it didn't consume. God stepped in and cleared the room. They set up the table with my enemies, left while they plotted to bury me. But God said, not this one, she's mine. He turned their weapons into warning signs. They tried to shame me, but glory be to the one who saved me. I'm still here, and I won't be silent. My God is faithful, fierce and righteous. They wanted me broken, lost and cold, to fold in the dark with no one to hold. But I found refuge under his wing, and now I rise, I dance and sing. He lifts his beloved, won't let me fall. In the pit they dug, he built me a wall. Scripture alive in every breath, I won't be ashamed, that's what he said. They thought they wrote the final line, but God was just turning the page. Set up the table with my enemy. They set up the table with my enemies, laughed while they plotted to bury me. But God said, not this one, she's mine. He turned their weapons into warning signs. They tried to shame me, but glory be to the one who saved me. I'm still here, and I won't be silent. My God is faithful, fierce and righteous. They mortify him with every scar. He brought me through, he raised the bar. Let them scheme, I walk in flame, covered in mercy, crowned in his name. They tried to shame me, but glory be to the one who saved me. I'm still here, and I won't be silent. My God is faithful, fierce and righteous. I glorify him with every scar. He brought me through, he raised the bar. Let them scheme, I walk in flame, covered in mercy, crowned in his name. To God be the glory.
As you've listened to this song in form of lyrics, and it is my testimony, guess what? That testimony can become a song, like the way you've heard this song, and that song can start earning you money. You don't need a studio, you don't need a producer. All you need is Suno AI and your story. Guys, I've earned some good amount of money from my story. Sometimes I put them down and I see my tears rolling down. You don't need a studio at all. Let me know, or let me right away before asking you, let me show you how to turn your faith into income while giving all the glory to King Jesus, to God. Right now, before I do any further, I would love to appreciate any individual that has been on Immaculate Show and has been supporting Immaculate Show. God bless you. May God answer all your hearty desires, and may you be productive than ever you wanted. Let's dive in and see, how can you turn your testimony? How can you turn your witness over the goodness of God into money? One, you have to have what we call Suno AI. That is the main ingredient. Then the second one is your testimony. What is Suno AI, by the way? Suno AI is a powerful music tool that lets you turn text into full songs with vocals, beats, emotions, and everything that you need. You just type in lyrics Or you put a theme like, kindly give me a gospel song about how God saved me when everybody turned against me. Like the way you had the song that I put for you, me, I put the lyrics and I remembered the situation when the people I stood for, when the people I used to fight for, I served, I helped. One time I came to know they were fighting against me without even a reason. So the moment you put it, boom, Suno gives you a full professional sounding track in minutes. You can even listen to this Suno. It is in the background, but it is made out of Suno AI and my experience. And here is the good news. With the Pro or Premium plan for Suno AI, you own full commercial rights, which means you are there to go. That is your music. Then the next thing, I know you are still asking, Christine, you're delaying us. How do I make money from this song of mine that I created? I'm going to break it down for you. It is going to be a step-by-step tutorial or teaching on how you can make money out of this lyrics, out of this song. Now let's break it down. How do you monetize this testimony that we've had? One, you have to have YouTube. Then after having YouTube, you can have also other platform that I will show you, but the main one is YouTube. What I want you to do after making them, I want you to upload it on YouTube. Then when you upload on YouTube, you create a lyric video or a short clip using Canva or InVideo. This is what you can do. You can enable monetization. When you enable monetization here, you can earn from ads. When people watch or they stream it, you can even earn from others like perks, you can earn from membership and other things. You can also add what you can do with YouTube for you to make sure that you make sure that your music has gone far. You need to know how to upload it. After uploading it, you put relevant tags like Christian music, testimony song, or God did it for me. Then the second way for you to monetize your music is to distribute it to Spotify, Apple Music, etc. Most people don't know about this, especially like creators who are not into music industry, but you can go ahead and use tools like DistroKid, TuneCore, or SoundDrop. Then you send your song to platform that pay per stream. One powerful testimony can touch thousands and pay you every month. I'm telling you the truth. You can also sell as digital downloads or background music. How do you do it? You'd upload it to your website, or you can even upload it to Gumroad website or Royal Free Library. You use it in your own videos or licenses to churches or creators. These are different ways for you to make sure that your testimony is known worldwide, and at the same time it is giving you money. Most people love to hear music, to listen to music, to watch music songs. So in doing this, you'll be hitting like three birds with one stone. The third tip I can tell you on this, it is on writing them, these testimonies. What I love is to keep them real. People connect with real things, or real testimony which are authentic. Structure lyrics, like this one I structured in verse 1, like verse 1 chorus, verse 2 chorus, like that bridge. You know how to structure those ones. Then if you get like if I give you my example, I used ChatGPT. I want ChatGPT. I told ChatGPT, please make for me good lyrics out of my experience. I wrote the bullets, what I went through, whatever. Then immediately it turned it. So, example, I was sinking low, but mercy found me. They turned on me, but you held me. Now I stand unshaken, undefeated, redeemed. These are examples of how you can put me. I decided this is a praise and worship song, like the way you can hear. Then stack your revenue. This is how your one song turns into multiple streams into income. Imagine you put it on YouTube, it is going to give you views, and views are equals to ad revenue. Then Spotify, Apple streams, it is going to give you royalties. Then you can even run and put MP3 downloads. These are digital sales. Then you use songs in shorts, in reels, on TikTok to drive views. All this one is the way you can look for money out of your experience and out of your testimonies. When you add all this, by the way, you can even add scriptures and messages to invite other people, and now you find you're having a ministry of songs. That's how I can call it. So if you have got a testimony, today is a weekend, it's a Sunday, that's why I brought this video. Don't just keep it for yourself. You might not get a platform to air out your testimony, but what you do, you can air it out in this form. Turn your pain into praise. You people, I know what I've gone through, and that's why you see it is very easier for me to put my testimony out. Turn your story into a song. I encourage you, and let Suno help you to send it to the world. And while you're glorifying God, He'll take care of the rest, and you'll earn money. You guys, I think I can say blessed Sunday. If this inspired you, like the video, subscribe for more faith and AI tools, and drop at least God did in a comment section right there. God did it for me. If you're ready to start, also let me know and I can guide you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.